All right, welcome back. Are we having fun yet? Wow. All right, this is what happened this early morning. We get into lows for this morning. You can see we had at least minus 20 degrees for areas by La Crosse. We also saw that we're not going to break that record, which was minus 26 back in the day, 1963, unfortunately. Holding on to Eau Claire, though, I mean, if you're going to get that cold, you might as well break a record, right? We're holding on to minus 24 for La Crosse today. They had the possible record of minus 32 degrees back in 1963. So that's what happened. Our wind chills, on the other hand, wow, we hit minus 47 degrees, negative minus 47 degrees for La Crosse today. That was recorded at 7:53 this morning, while Eau Claire had a minus 46 degree wind chill. That was at about 8:05 this early morning. Let's get into how this all shapes up. We've got the alert day that's still in play. That goes until tomorrow morning. Again, we're going to see minus 5 degree highs or less, holding on to, again, for lows, minus 15 to minus 30 degrees. Wind chills now, you already saw, have reached near minus 49 degrees in some locations. Giving way to this, though, potential records today, well, we're going to be a little shy on this as well today as well. Maximum high today, we're going to hit minus 8 degrees. You can see the record was minus 2 back in 1963. So that's a possibility here. We're holding on to the max temperatures for Eau Claire, where you're looking at minus 12. And of course, their record was back in the day for 1936, minus 14 degrees. All right, so that's being said, let's take a look at what we got going on. You've got the light shaded blue, you want to call it North Carolina blue out there, holding on to a cold weather advisory until midnight tonight. You see the royal blue out there. That's pretty much for areas that are going to have the extreme cold warning still, and that's going to linger all the way to 6 a.m. in the morning. So we're not in that. We're holding on to this, going on to, again, with the wind chills as we go into 3 o'clock hour. We're looking at minus 25 degrees, minus 28 for Eau Claire, minus 23 for Prairie du Chien. Once we get into, again, how this all plays out, the winds are fairly light today. They're not that breezy, not as like they were yesterday. We're up to about 15 miles per hour. The winds will taper down tomorrow as well. So we'll see that cold air probably try to sneak in for tomorrow as well, giving way to this. The zones pop into the forecast. Sunny skies today abound. So the more sunshine we have, or the more clear skies we have, the less wind chill we'll be picking up. Holding on to that all the way down to the south, mostly sunny skies, minus 7 as you get into areas by Prairie du Chien, while La Crosse, on the other hand, will have minus 8 degrees, holding on to at least partly cloudy skies in the forecast there. Taking it up to Osseo, you're only on to minus 11 with sunnier skies there, and back into Eau Claire, you've got partly cloudy skies, minus 11 for you in the forecast. Taking it into Saturday's highs, we've got at least some cloud cover sneaking in, so that means you're going to see a bit of a chill, minus 5 to at least minus 1 degree as you get down to areas by La Crosse. The lows on Sunday, where you're looking at least minus 11, all the way up to minus 21 as you get into Prairie du Chien. So the folks going to church or services on Sunday, you're going to need to bundle up as well. Then we'll take it into how this all plays out for your highs for the day. We're going to hold on to the possibility of this. Temperatures still in single-digit numbers. We're still trying to bump you up, but we're still around 5 degrees or though, and you see Prairie du Chien. So it's a possibility we may have an alert day for Sunday that may carry over all the way into next week. You're looking at Monday's lows. Well, we're looking at colder air with cloudier skies, so that means, yep, you got the wind chill back, minus 19 to about minus 13. La Crosse will hold on to minus 12, minus 18 for Eau Claire. You get into Sunday's highs, well, we back off the winds for you, open up the skies again, 5 to about 12 degrees in the forecast. And of course, as I mentioned before, you may see a possible weather alert day coming in for Sunday. That could go all the way into Thursday of next week with fewer clouds out there as well. So be safe, bundle up, and have a wonderful day.
Well, with this weather, anything on that screen that doesn't have a minus in front of it, I'm happy about. All right, thanks, Art.